So you are probably wondering right now, Bethany, why are you not sitting in your spinny chair and why are you so awkwardly sitting on your bed? That is because today I'm doing my room tour. Oh my gosh. This video was requested so much. Like literally every time I'd post a video or even like on Facebook or Twitter, everybody was like, we want to see a room tour, post a room tour, Bethany. I'm like, I'm sorry. So this is the day I'm finally going to be showing you guys my room tour because it was requested so much and I know you guys have been waiting a long time. So I was like, today I'm doing my room tour. I'm waking up, I'm filming this, and I'm going to post it. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm really excited for this video because I know you guys have been waiting for it, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. And also, before I show you guys the room tour, I just want to give a huge thanks to Rebecca Robeson because she gave me a ton of great ideas when I was redoing my room. So I love her, and you should definitely check out her YouTube channel below. I will link that in the description box. And if you're like redoing your room also, then she'll definitely give you some great tips. She makes tons of amazing videos, so you should definitely check her out. Oh, and one more thing before I get into the room tour. If you do not find room tours interesting or if you don't want to watch this, you don't have to. But this was literally requested so much and that's why I decided to do it. So I'm not trying to brag about anything. Honestly, if it wasn't requested so much, I probably wouldn't have filmed it. But because so many people were requesting it, I decided to go ahead and do it. So I'm really excited. And if you guys are ready, we can get into the room tour because I know I'm talking like crazy. So let's go. Okay, so we are now outside of my room. This is my bedroom door, and this door is actually my closet, so that's why you will notice there's no clothes in my bedroom. There's just like clothes in my dresser, but I don't have like a closet. So that is all in here, which I can do a tour if you guys would like to see that next time. I'm going to open it up, and I have a creaky door. Sorry about that, but here's just a quick overview of my room. So I'm going to start right here and just show you guys this. So this actually used to be a closet, but then I turned it into like this little sitting area, which I'm obsessed with, and my friends really love it too. I think they love it more than I do. So I have like this cool wallpaper in it, and then I added this chair from IKEA. It's like super soft, and then I just have like some pillows on it. I think that one is from JCPenney. This one's from Target, and I'm not sure where the sequin one is from. And then I have like a hot pink blanket from Target, and then I also have this mirror hung up, and you can see me. So this mirror is from Hobby Lobby, and I love it because it has like all this cool detailing. And then in this corner I just have my yoga mat from Target, and then this thing right here is like, it's like a laptop thing because my mom gets mad when I put my laptop on my lap, so I bought this and that's what I use now. But not really, I actually still put it on my lap. Sorry, Mom. And then right there I just have some random pillows. I honestly do not know why they're in the corner, but yeah, there's some pillows there. And then right here I just have my little white rug from Target and this little gold poof. And the poof, I'm not sure where it's from. I think it was like from QVC or something, I'm not sure. And that is just like my little sitting area, which I love. And then bam, oh my gosh, there it is, my teddy bear. So I actually got this teddy bear from Costco, and yes, I totally bought it for myself because no one wanted to buy it for me. But yeah, so I love my big teddy, and I just like to like lay on him and read books and like go on the computer and read your guys' comments because it's fun for me. So yeah, that's just this little area, and then there's like nothing on this wall. Okay, then you turn around. I'm going to show you guys my bed. So here is a little overview of my bed. So the white comforter is actually from Anthropologie, and it has like all this cool flower detailing, which I really like. And then this quilt I actually got from PB Teen, so it's like tie-dye. So it's very fun and colorful. You guys know I'm obsessed with pink, so I really like that. And then I just have like all these throw pillows on there. And then here is one of my nightstands. So it just has this lamp from PB Teen, a remote, and my Moleskine journal. Oh my gosh, I love this. So I take this journal everywhere with me. I just put like video ideas or just like random things that I think of, like cool poems or quotes that I like, just kind of stuff like that. So I bring this like in my purse, and I kind of just take it everywhere with me. And then in this drawer, I have no idea what's in here. Oh, okay. So there's like a little YouTube sweatband, which I've actually never used before, but I think it's cute. And then I have like my workout jump rope and these cute little kitty slippers that I got from Forever 21. They're literally the softest slippers ever, so I'll like slip those on at night. And then these are the coolest Band-Aids I've ever owned in my life. I got them from Urban Outfitters, and they say like shark bite, ninja fight, jousting, dance off. Oh yeah, I think they're pretty awesome. And then I just have like a tripod and random stuff back there. And then above my bed, I just have 3 little flower decals that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they have like little rhinestones in them. Here, I'll just jump up on my bed and make sure I don't get decapitated by the ceiling fan. Okay, so that is what they look like. They're just kind of like cute little wall decorations, and I think they're super adorable. Okay, then we come to the other side of my bed, and we have my other nightstand, which has another lamp from PB Teen, and then I just have like some fake flowers that I got from Target, and this cute little chair that I like put my phone in, and some magazines. And then in this drawer, I have a labeler. I'll like print out really random things like my name and like stick it on stuff. I don't know, I find that fun. I have a glasses case, a ring pop, and it's like, there's not a ring pop in there. Animal print umbrella and a Tide to Go stick because I literally stain every single one of my clothes. It's pretty bad. And then this is actually a scrapbook, and I showed this in my last room tour. I'll give you guys a little peek. Happy times. He was like my best friend when I was little. I kind of like was mean to him though. I like stole his cereal and stuff because I was a rebel. Yeah, just lots of very oh my gosh. There's a picture right above this heart that is seriously the most embarrassing thing ever, and I'm not going to show it to you guys. Oh, here's a good page. There's baby Bethany. Lots of baby pictures. Okay, so that is my bed and my nightstands and everything like that, and my little sitting area. And then if you turn this way, we have my dresser. So on top of my dresser, I just have my TV right there so I can watch TV in my bed. And then on top of my dresser, oh my gosh, I have this really cool thing that I bought. It's Sound Freak, and basically it's like a iPhone speaker or iPod speaker. I'll read that later. Okay, but anyways, you can like play music on it, and it's so cool because on the side, you like pop this out, bam, there's like a little magnetic remote control. How amazing is that? And then, I don't know what this is, Capri Sun and water bottle. That's just embarrassing. Anyways, I just have my licorice jar because licorice is like my favorite candy ever. So I have my red vines in here. So these actually go very fast because I love licorice and my friends love licorice and my family loves licorice. So this is like licorice central right here. And then next to that, I have this little jewelry holder that I got at Target, and I just filled it with some of my favorite rings. So I don't keep all of my jewelry in my bedroom because some of it's in the other room, but these are just like my favorite rings that I like to put on before I leave. And then I have a few pins there too. So I don't know, I just think it's pretty. And then next to that, I don't know, I have baby lips and a random makeup bag, my TV again, and I guess I'll show you guys what's inside my dresser. So the first drawer right here is like sleep shirts and just kind of like, I don't know, just shirts that I sleep in. I love this one because it says fashion is my boyfriend, which is pretty awesome. And then the next one, I have just like sleeping bottoms. I have my animal print onesie, which is so cool. I have like some yoga pants, plaid pants, Happy Bunny, I don't know, just like a lot of random bottoms to sleep in. And then under that, I have my bra and underwear. And there's like a random cover of a magazine that has One Direction in it. Honestly, I do not know why that's in there. I promise you guys, I did not put that in here. I think one of my friends did. That's very weird. Okay, next drawer, I have my zip-up sweaters. So just all those in there. And then right under that, this one is like super stuffed. I have like big sweatshirts. I have two Awesomeness TV sweatshirts because they're awesome. But yeah, this is like just filled with like my sweatshirts and everything like that. Go in. And then the last drawer has just like my socks. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite socks ever. They're by Converse, and I love them because they're very short, so I literally wear these like with all my Converse and sneakers and even like boots and stuff, so I love those. And that is my dresser, and then above that is my big window, and I just have like these white flowy curtains, and then there's my curtain rod, if you guys could see that. And then this whole wall actually has the same wallpaper that's in that little sitting area. So they kind of match. And then moving over here, I have this big picture that I got from PB Teen. You're supposed to like put pictures on it and use it as like a bulletin board, but I kind of like it without anything on it. I just like it plain. So I have that. And then you go down and I have like this little sitting thing, and it has like this little cubby at the bottom, and it has like a little cushion on it. And I just put some pillows from PB Teen, this blanket from Target, and a fuzzy pillow from Target. And then right next to that, I just have my tripod. So in here, I just keep an extra blanket. And then over here, are you guys ready for this? My Tiger Snuggie, the most amazing thing ever. If you remember what video I showed that in, then you're awesome. And then underneath here is like my secret little cubby. I keep my Full House complete series. So that is just under there hidden, just chilling like a villain. So that is that. And then right here is my bookshelf. So here's an overview. I guess I'll start right here. So on top of here, I have some fake candles because I don't trust myself with real candles, so I have like the little electric ones, and they like flicker so they look real. And then above that I have this cool little board. And then the first shelf I just have some of my books. I have like Beach Blondes, Lucky One, Along for the Ride, North the Beautiful, Hunger Games, Twilight, Justin Bieber, of course, Lauren Conrad, just like a lot of different books. And then my cute little bookends that I got from PB Teen. And then, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. It's from Yankee Candle, and it smells like icing, like birthday cake. The sweetest, amazing scent ever. You have to try it. So I have that there. And then I just have this random ball that I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't even know what its purpose is, but I thought it was cute. So I just have that right there. And then next shelf, I have a random bag, this little tray with my piggy bank. He's like speckled with like rainbow splatters. I don't know. I have my Hello Kitty wallet, and then this book that I got from Pier 1. And then my ugly doll, and another candle that smells like birthday cake. Next shelf, I have this cute little happy birthday bear that I got for my birthday, a picture frame with no picture in it. And in this container, I have no idea what's in here. Oh, there's like Skinny Cow snacks, what the heck, and like Lifesavers. Okay, that's random. And the bottom shelf, oh my gosh, my marshmallow shooter. I got it for Christmas one year, and I don't use it very often, but I think it's really cool. And then I have more picture frames without pictures in them, yay. Here I have actually the 2 purses that are in my giveaway. So if you want to win one of these bags, the giveaway is actually still going on. And since it went so well, I'm actually going to pick 2 extra winners and give you some prizes also. So I haven't picked out what other prizes I'm going to be giving away. But yeah, so this giveaway ends at the end of July. So definitely enter if you haven't yet. Okay, next I just have a bag from iMats and some random heels. I honestly don't even know why those are there. Then here I just have a pink box and then some movies. I have lots of different ones. They're basically all like chick flicks. I have some sunglasses, my hat from PacSun, laptop, and this random container. And then above that, so I have these 2 jars filled with candy. The gumball one is kind of just for decoration. I normally never really eat the gumballs, but I definitely eat the Starburst, and I'm really surprised that there's pink ones in there because I always eat the pink ones first, and so do my friends. So yeah, I have those. Then this container just has like a perfume box, some sunglasses, hairbrush, oh, and my YouTube tube socks, get it? Yeah, I thought that was funny. And here's like a little Victoria's Secret dog. Then I have my cameras right here with my remote. This scent is my favorite scent ever. It's the Febreze Pumpkin Harvest. It smells so, so amazing. Then I just have some Bath & Body Works candles, and I'm really loving this one right now. It's Root Beer Float by Bath & Body Works. It's so yummy. And I actually got White Palm because it smelled like one of my old classrooms. I know, that's really weird. It smells like my 6th grade classroom. So odd, but I just had to get it. And then I just have like some hand sanitizers, and I know I kind of have like a little collection right here, and Candy Corn is my favorite scent from them. So like 2 years ago during their Halloween collection, I bought like a bunch of them, so I have all those there. Then the next shelf, I have my magazines right here, so I just have them in these little containers from PB Teen. And then I have some more books. I have my 17 Guide to Beauty and Guide to Style. I have this random fashion book that I really like. It's kind of like a coloring book for people who like fashion. This book has like lots of quotes. I have Lauren Conrad's style book, Teen Vogue handbook, and then I just have some of my favorite perfumes. And then, oh my gosh, this necklace, a subscriber actually gave to me in my meetup in LA, and I got so, so excited. It's a little cookie, and her necklace is milk, so we're like milk and cookies. Yeah, we're twins like that. So I really, really love that. So that is my bookshelf, and you guys have pretty much seen this whole part of my room. Now we have this part of my room. So there was actually a door right here, but I took it off so it wouldn't be like kind of excluded from my room. I wanted it to be part of my room. So this is what it looks like, and this is like kind of my little work area where I edit videos, I do schoolwork, and everything like that. So I just have my little spinny chair from PB Teen, and it's so furry. I'm like obsessed with it. I just have like a pillow on there. And then my desk, I just have my laptop chilling right here. And I'm logged on to Twitter, so I'm totally gonna tweet something right now. Filming. Tweet. There it is. Yay. So above my desk, I just have these style tiles that I purchased from PB Teen, and on this little corkboard I like to put all these pictures of me and my friends, and I like to switch it out a lot. So I just have some pictures from Disneyland, me and my friend Samra, pictures from Halloween, me and my IMO friends, you know, just like lots of different pictures. But this does change a lot just because I like to switch out the pictures on there. And then above that, normally on this whiteboard I'd have like my whole schedule for the day, and I have no idea why I didn't do that today. And then I just have my calendar. Oh, and I'm gonna write something on here just for you guys. I'll write swaggy. Swaggy! Or YOLO. Yeah. I love you. Look at how big that smiley face is. He needs some teeth. Okay, that did not turn out as planned. Whatever. So those are just my style tiles. And then right here I have a pencil sharpener for school, a little tray with some gum, a YouTube pen, and some nail clippers. I have a candle holder that a subscriber gave to me, so thank you. And then I just have a lamp right here. And then in these little cubbies I have some erasers for my dry erase boards. I have these scented highlighters that I'm so excited to try, or should I say smell, because I have a love for scented markers. I have some little cards right here, sticky notes, and push pins. And then I have a notebook and this little question sheet for school, because I'm reading the Hunger Games for school, so that's like all these questions about the Hunger Games. And then in this little hot pink bin, I just kind of use it as a trash can. Like if I mess up on a paper or something, I'll just throw it in here. And then here I just have all of my pencils. And then in this little cubby thing that I got from PB Teen, I just keep all my markers. Of course, I have my Expo neons, and the pink one is the most used. But yeah, so I just have those. I have some Sharpies, some highlighters for school, and these are my little baby color pencils. They're so cute. I don't know why, but something about them being so small is very adorable to me. And then I have my hot pink fan, which is the best thing ever because it keeps me cool. Because I like to feel like a Victoria's Secret model. No, I'm totally kidding. It just gets really hot in this room, so I needed a fan. Then I have my little Bible from when I was like 4 or something. I don't know. It's very old. And then a little notebook. Okay, and then in the first drawer right here, I keep lots of random stuff. 120 pack of crayons. Oh yeah. Some sticky notes that are from Pier 1. And then I have like lots of studs because I'm really into studding things. So I have those. I have some fabric glue. I have a YouTube Frisbee. And then this little container actually has like pencils when I want to sketch something. And then I have like these little stickers from MAC. I also have tons of construction paper. Woo! I love that. And then in the back I have this little Hello Kitty thing that's filled with like DVDs from when I was little. I don't know, it's very odd, but I have that there. And then in this drawer I keep my other color pencils. These ones I use for art in school. And then I have a little sketch pad, and I'll just like draw things in here when I'm bored. And then I have a notebook, a planner, and then this is my assignment sheet for school because I did start school again, and that is why I have that. And then this right here, I just have a few of my school books, and I think that's like some random chalk right there. And this last drawer, I keep my binders. So this one I made a cool collage for that's kind of falling apart. And I have some more binders and folders. So that is my desk. And then right here, oh my gosh, so a subscriber actually gave this to me at my meetup in New York City, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. It has a bee on it, and it says MacBarbie07, and she kissed it right there. How sweet is that? So if you're watching this, thank you so much. I love you. So that is that room. I think that is my whole entire room. Yep, that's it. So that is it for my room tour today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And sorry I'm like spinning around. I'm like, woo. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But feel free to leave your room tour in the video response below because I'd love to watch that. And if you guys would like to see a tour of my closet, then just leave a comment below. It's still being worked on, but I would love to do that when it's finished. So thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!